Then I realized in my last year at school that I was done with my major and I couldn't graduate because I didn't have enough credits. So I basically had a year to just fill in with fun classes. And I like learning languages, so I decided to take both Hebrew and Yiddish at the same time. And I took them because A, they're easy. B, neither of them were 5 days a week because it was my last year and I really didn't want to be boggled down with work. But they also had an alphabet, like a different non-romantic Latin alphabet. And I didn't want to learn Russian, which was my other choice. So I was like, okay, they share the same alphabet, it'll be easy. So I took Hebrew and Yiddish at the same time, my last year of school, which is, I guess, where my Jewish immersion started, really, I suppose. It's kind of like writing in a code. You want to figure it out and you want to know and you want to be able to read it and you want to be able to understand it. And they are related, so I was like, well, if I'm learning Hebrew, it's certainly going to help me in learning Yiddish, and I already took German, so that's definitely going to help me in Yiddish. And I'm glad to say that it turned out being a good life decision for me because I ended up really loving it, which is why I'm here now, because I love Yiddish.